So whether you work in the office or you work from home like I do, this desktop glass board has been so neat. I have been enjoying it and really want to thank the company for sending it to me to check out. This thing is pretty compact. It really doesn't take that much room on your desk. And I absolutely love how you can open it up and it does serve as additional storage. Now, I have my markers that come with it that you can use to write on. And then I have some different accessories that I need close by for my computer, like my pins, my phone charging cable, and of course, my little USB adapters. And of course, you always have to have a desktop chapstick. Now, it did come with an eraser that you can erase your message and rewrite on there. Now, my favorite way to use this board is actually as a doodle board. When I'm sitting here in meetings, when tasks come up in the meeting that I need to do, I'll just little doodle on it and make myself notes, maybe like send an email after the meeting or check the reports. Overall, this has been a great addition to my desk. Highly recommend.